So this is the S&P 500. Let me go back just 5 years is what I'll do. And let's see here. All right, go back 5 years. So what I want to do is September. So let's go back to the September of last year. When did that begin? Somewhere up here. Oops, let's try that again. September of last year was somewhere here. Then the September prior to that was somewhere around here. September prior to that was somewhere around here. September prior to that was somewhere around here. And then September prior to that was somewhere around here. All right, so I just want you guys to pay attention to that. And let's take a look and see, just over the last 5 years, what has happened at the beginning of September. Okay. So if we take a look at this chart right here, what we see here now is this is exactly, let me readjust this. So this was September 1st right there, or at least the first trading day in September was right there. One of the things that we see here is that the market started heading down. Then we had about a week where the market seemed like it tried to rally. And I want us to be aware of this because this is not uncommon in this pattern of the market dropping. Okay, it's like there is some form of a fake pump is what I call it, a fake pump, whereby market seems like it's going to drop, then it's going to seem like it's going to rally, but please don't fall for that because eventually what we're expecting it to do is to go down. But I want you guys to see the pattern here. See, so here's the beginning of September, and we go all the way down into October. Now there's some pump fakes. This is what I call pump fakes right here. We need to be aware of that. Please don't fall for it. Okay, that was last year. Let's go back to the year prior to that. Here is where is the first trading day. Sorry, this was the first trading day in September, right there. That was our first trading day in September. Notice what we had: a pump fake, right? A pretend rally, only to do what? Bring the market back down. Okay. And so this is what I'm saying. I am prepared for this. This is the quantitative data that I'm looking at and saying, all right. I've seen this pattern appear. Now, notice we're not looking at any technical analysis at all. So this is all quantitative analysis now. Quantitative analysis just simply means we're looking at historical data, statistics of what's the probability that this could happen again. And so you look at this now and say, hey, wait a second. We attempted to rally. And if you look at this, I mean, this would have been like, wow, market is really ready to rally higher. But again, being the fact that we are in September, boom, expect things to fall back down again. Go back here to 3 years ago. Let's see, September 1st. The first trading day of September was here. Now, this is more of what I was expecting to happen. Quite frankly, I was expecting something like this where we have a drip, 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 and then slowly, but then, slowly start turning over and then the big drop taking place. I was not expecting that today, frankly speaking, because, but I guess maybe, looking back in hindsight now, we look at all this and it's like, well, that was what it was. But I was really expecting it to like drip, 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 start coming lower. And then we have the big drop to the downside. Okay. Back to what we were talking about here. Just want to show you again what happens in September so we are prepared. So you can see that drop took place right there in September. We go back over here to 4 years ago. What day was September 1st? This was September 1st right here. What did we have? We had that fake rally that took place right there. It's like a pump fake, a fake rally, a bear trap. So I think that's the biggest thing. Just be prepared for a bearish trap, right? And what we mean by bearish trap is the bears are trapping all the people thinking that it's going to go higher. So the bears are setting a trap for people thinking it's going to go higher when in fact prices are going to come back down. Okay. Wow. All right. One last one. Let's go back here to 2019, 5 years ago. And what you'll see here is, again, this fake rally before the market pulls back again. All right. So, but that was 2019. 2020, this was 2020 during the election year. So you can see market dropped, attempted rally, pulls back again. So get ready for the potential drop in the market. Fair enough. And what I'm looking at right now tells me that it is beginning. So we'll see how far it goes.